Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to see what is in store for today, but before we do that, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel before you leave, and let's get started. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of just a bunch of random brands, and it's going to be fun just showing you guys future makeup that I'll be using. And yeah, if you guys see something that catches your eye, definitely let me know and I will try it out right away. So, was anybody aware that Paris Hilton had a makeup line? Because I didn't know that, and if you try to find it anywhere, you really can't, except for like eBay and stuff. But I found mine at TJ Maxx, so yeah, I was probably gonna do like maybe a full face of Paris Hilton makeup. Let's just show you guys what I found. So this is the first thing. So it's like a sculpt and contour palette with a contour brush, a blending brush, and a blending sponge. So yeah, you could definitely do like your base and your bronzer with that palette and highlighter, I guess. So that's pretty exciting. So next I found some lashes. I thought these were really cute. 5 different styles. So cute. So I found this Pro Glow Face Palette, 8 color highlighter palettes. Lastly, from Paris Hilton, I have the Paris Hilton Blush and Highlight Palette. So I was definitely looking forward to trying that stuff out. Next, I got these sponges. This is Glam and Beauty Cosmetic Sponge, 18 assorted sponges. So I was going to try out the different sizes, see if they were good, to see if they were like good beauty sponges to use. Normally I try to use like the egg-shaped kind, but we'll just see what happens. Next, I'm really excited about this. It's my first Morphe brush. It is the M173 Chubby Buffer Brush. Really excited to use this. Next, I have the Essence Eye Blender brush. So the blender's on this side, so it's like an eyeshadow brush. Pretty excited about that. It looks like it's like really fluffy. I've really been wanting to try this because I've heard so many good things about it, but I've never personally tried it myself. It's the Essence Lash Princess. So excited. One beauty guru that I watch, beauty guru, influencer, whatever you want to say, that I watch a lot, always talks really good about this, so it kind of made me want to try it. It's the NYX Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer. She said that it's like really good for like blurring your pores and stuff like that, so I definitely want to try that out. And lastly, a box in a box. I got this Tarte package. Oh. So it came with like a sample of their foundation, and also this is like a mystery box, basically like a mystery bag. So let's see what we got in here. So it's a cute little rose gold bag that says hashtag own your crown, Tarte at the bottom. So first thing I'm pulling out is the Tarte Lip Sculptor Lipstick and Lip Gloss. So this side is a lipstick. Looks like a pretty nude shade. And then this side is a gloss that you can put on top that's about the same color. Next thing I'm pulling out is this Tarteist On Fleek Lip Crayon. I have the Tarte Lifted Mascara. And lastly, this little Tartelette Tease eyeshadow palette. So those are the shades in there. So this should be really pretty. Excited about that. Basically you got like, I think it was like 5 mystery items. So I'm guessing the samples counted as the 5th item. So that's really exciting. Just wanted to do a quick little video of like unboxing, and I hope you guys are enjoying the new quality of my videos. If you have any suggestions of like different settings I should do or things I should do to change it, definitely let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any video suggestions, please comment them down below and check the description box for more information about the video. My Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are at GlamGirlGray. See you next time.